In a Bermuda grass lawn, your spring lawn will have an excess of grass canopy left over from last year. This thick, brown grass is dead forever and will slowly decay over the summer unless it's removed in the spring. The result of not removing this excess will be shading and insulating of the cool soil, resulting in the new grass coming in more slowly than it would if this old grass were to be removed. It will also cause your new summer lawn to look brown as last year's brown grass competes with the new green grass for color. To get rid of this, the job to perform is lawn scalping. This is performed by mowing your lawn as short as your mower will possibly go and bagging and removing the clippings. In Oklahoma, the ideal time to do this is in March. You've been watching footage of a lawn that was not scalped. Now we're going to look at footage of a lawn that was scalped. This footage was shot on the very same day in early April as the last footage. This homeowner scalped their lawn unless the new grass is coming in and is able to steal the show because it's not competing with the tall, dead, thick grass from last year. If you're having your lawn treated with pre-emergent, be sure to scalp your lawn before the treatment. If you scalp your lawn after the treatment, that's fine, but be sure to have watered in the treatment thoroughly. Otherwise, you might be bagging up all of the herbicides that need to be watered into the lawn.